Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I figured I would do a quick, simple, like get ready with me where I do like a nice natural beat to the face. I just love how everything turned out because it looks very like simple and I feel like it's very minimalistic, so therefore you can wear it to school, work, if you want to just go somewhere and look sort of kind of put together but not look too like full glam. I think it's going to be the perfect look for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and of course what I came up with right here, we have that nice glowy skin happening as well. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it 2 thumbs up and let's get started with the video. Alright you guys, so starting off, I apologize if my robe is wet, but I did spray my hair, so my hair is dripping wet down on my robe, so I apologize for that. But starting off to create our like natural beat, I'm going to take my Believe Beauty eyeshadow primer. This is going to be in the color called Universal. You can get it at the Dollar General, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'm just going to use one simple color in my crease, and that's pretty much it. We're not going to create a full-on, you know, glam eyeshadow look because again we are creating a simple look that can be worn to work, to school, if you are running, you know, like a quick errand and you want to have like a nice beat to your face. That is the look that we are creating today, so nothing too crazy. I didn't put that much primer on my eyes either. So going into the actual product for my eyes, I'm just going to take my e.l.f. bronzer in the color called Deep and just apply it to my crease. All right, and then that's pretty much it gonna be for the eyes. So eyes are done. Moving on into the face, I'm just gonna take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water just to kind of spray my face. Get it nice and prepped. And then I am going to take my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer, which I showed you guys this in a, I want to say it was a review video, and I told you guys I actually like the product. It does a good job hydrating the face, but it also feels almost kind of like tacky when you first apply it, but the feeling don't last forever. All right, and then going into foundation, because we're doing more of a natural beat, I'm going to take my Clinique Even Better Makeup. It's going to be the foundation in the color called Ginger number 12. So you guys, this is a really pretty foundation if you want a more everyday kind of like, you know, look to your face. Nothing that's too done up, nothing that's too like full coverage. It's going to be more of a medium coverage. However, you can build it up to a full coverage if you want to, but we're just going to do one layer and that's pretty much it. And this is the applicator on it, so it's really cool. Just gonna pump a little bit, and then I'm actually gonna take my Believe Beauty Radiantly Prime Face Primer, and I told you guys this is a really pretty glowy kind of primer. Let me show you guys if you haven't seen it. That is what it looks like. And surprisingly, when you actually blend the product out, you know how most products that's like a radiant kind of primer, it leaves that gold film on your face, which y'all know I cannot stand that. This product actually does not do that. It actually blends away, so it's pretty much like nothing is on your face, but trust me, the glow is going to be there. So just gonna take a little drop and just mix it with my foundation and just apply it to my face. So that is what my cocktail looks like, and we're just gonna dot it all over the face. I do want a nice glow to my face because I'm not gonna wear any highlighter today. Whenever I'm doing like a more subtle everyday kind of look, I typically opt out of wearing a highlighter because I just don't feel like it's matching that look that I'm going for. I mean, you can definitely wear it if you want to, but I just choose not to. So any base product that will give me that glow to my skin, I will just use that as my highlighter to get that effect, if that makes sense. Just gonna take my sponge and just press the product into my skin, and it will also give me a more seamless look. Alright, so this is what the skin is looking like. You can see that nice glow right there to my face, really cute. It looks really healthy. You can still see like my dark spots peeking through, which is fine because again, we're looking for a more natural kind of look, nothing that's too full coverage and glam. So it almost looked like my skin but better, and I just love the actual like subtle glow to my face from the actual primer. So that is the primer and foundation. Moving on into concealer, I am going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. If you want more of a really natural concealer, you can do the Super Stay Better Skin Concealer, but I want just a little bit of coverage. But I'm not going to put that much product on my face, but I do want some kind of coverage. I'm taking the color called Golden as my color, and I have killed this product. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have killed this product. I'm just going to stamp it on my face. As you can see, I did a little bit of product. Typically, you guys know I would like drag the product all the way around to give me more coverage, but again, I don't want that much coverage, but I do want some kind of coverage. So just a little bit of concealer will do just fine for the look that we are creating today. Alright, and then for my powder, I'm just going to take my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color called Warm Hazelnut. I told you guys this powder has easily became like one of my favorite powders because it's nothing that's too heavy, it's nothing that's too mattifying on the skin. I do have dry skin, and it just looks really pretty, almost like a lightweight kind of powder. So I have definitely come to love this powder. Check it out if you don't have it. I think you will enjoy it a lot. And it's one of those powders that would be good for these kind of like no makeup looks because it's really a lightweight kind of finish. So definitely check this product out. Super inexpensive, especially at Target. It's like maybe $4 at Target, so check it out. Alright, so moving on into the next product, we're going to take that same bronzer from earlier and just give our face just a little bit of warmth. Nothing that's going to be too heavy or too like bronze looking, but just like a nice flush of color back in our face. That way it's not so like one-dimensional. So take a little bit of that e.l.f. product. And this is pretty much like, that's good enough right there. And then for blush, I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. blush in the one called Brilliant Mauve. I told you guys when I first reviewed this product that it's a very pretty blush. If you use this blush, you don't need to use a highlighter because you pretty much have the blush and highlighter combination right in here. So anytime I do one of these kind of looks, I always pull a blush that have like a little bit of shimmer in there, so I can pretty much get like the 2-for-1. And it's a really pretty subtle blush, but the highlighter aspect of it is quite intense. So it's pretty much like a one-stop shop. So check it out. It's a really pretty blush. Again, it's called Brilliant Mauve, and I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can see how you get more of that highlighter glow to it, but the actual color payoff is really subtle. So again, it's just a nice combination of both products. Just gonna put a small bit on my nose. And then just gonna take my brush from Japanese and just blend everything out. It's just a stippling brush from Japanese and just blend everything out. If you don't have one of these brushes in your collection, you need to get one. It's the best kind of brush to have to blend out like your bronzer, your contour, your blush, your highlighter. It's perfect. All right, and then moving on into the lashes, I do have two mascaras here with me. I have the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara, and I have my Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. This is going to be more so for my bottom lashes. It's going to be for my top lashes. If you want to wear fake lashes, you can definitely do so. I just don't want to, so I'm just going to take this one because it definitely gives me a nice volume and like length to my eyelashes. But you can definitely wear fake lashes if you like to wear fake lashes, but you can also just wear mascara and be done with it. Can you guys see a difference between this one and this one? All right, and then moving on into the lips, I'm just gonna take the Revlon. It's gonna be the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. I have the color called Spice Berry. I also have the color called Almond Suede. Just gonna take Almond Suede because it's more closer towards like my lip color, almost like my lip but better. Just gonna apply that to my lips, and I did apply the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eye Pencil in the color brown to my lower waterline. That way it wasn't so like bare and like pink looking. So I did apply that there, but I did not apply anything to my lower lashes. And I'm just going to take my Believe Beauty Makeup Perfecting Setting Spray, which looks like this. This really cute blue and white packaging. I'm just going to spray it to set my face. Alright, you guys, this is pretty much going to be the finished completed look. I just love how everything turned out. I think it looks very natural. It looks very pretty. Still have that nice glow to the skin. At the same time, we don't look too like done up either. It's almost just like a nice natural beat where we still look put together but still look cute but not so like full face. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, be sure to give it 2 thumbs up. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.